ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Advaita Siddhi, we are discussing Anukula Tarka. Anukula Tarka, whether it is there or not for Jagat Mithyatva. Purvapakshi's refutation is being discussed. Purvapakshi here started by saying, if there is a Ghata, Ghatadehe, this is on page number 326. ननु घटादेहे स्वसन्निकृष्ट इंद्रियजन्य स्वज्ञानात् पूर्वं सत्वेन तत्र अध्यासो न युक्तः. Purvapakshi said, you are saying adhyasa is of the Vishaya in its jnanam. But here the Vishaya is existing before jnanam. Ghata is existing, then you get Ghata jnanam. Ghata jnanam takes place through Ghatakar vritti. So when such thing is there, then Swajnanat Purvam, Ghata is Sattva. Therefore, how can you say Ghata is Adhyasa in Ghata Jnanam? And Nacha ya Ghatendriya Sannikarsaja Vrittis Taya Ghato na Prakashya Yena cha Prakashyo Ghatadhisthana Chaitanyena na Tat Sannikarsajam iti Nacha Vachyam. Nacha will go with Vachyam. Purvapakshi thinks like this. Ghata Indriya Sannikarsha and that will produce Ghatakar Vritti. Ghata is not illumined by that Vritti Avachin. Ghata is illumined by that Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya, not by the Vritti itself. According to Siddhanti. Purvapakshi feels, Siddhanti is saying is that Ghata is illumined only by the Adhisthana Chaitanya. Those who are attending Vedanta Paribhasha, they have already studied this in Pratyaksha Pramana. Ghatakar Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya and Ghatavachinna Chaitanya. The Pramana Avachinna Chaitanya and Prameya Avachinna Chaitanya, they become one. Then Ghata Jnanam will take place. So he says Ghatadi Adhisthana Chaitanya is not Sannikarsajam. Iti nacha vachyam vritti atirikta jnane mana bhavat. Purvapakshi does not accept any Chaitanya. Jnane means Chaitanya. Any Chaitanya other than vritti avachinna Chaitanya. So this we saw in the last session. what is Vedanta standpoint in this? So this is explained in the 8th chapter of Panchadashi, Kutastha Deepa Prakarana. If there is a ghata, this ghata, when I get the knowledge, what do I say? Jnato ghata. Jnato ghata is illumined by Sakshi. So if Jnato ghata is illumined by Sakshi, before it was known, it was Ajnato ghata. That Ajnato ghata, how do I know whether it is existing or not? So Ajnato ghata is illumined by Sakshi. Sakshi will illumine Ajnata ghata. Otherwise, there is no pramanam for Ajnata ghata. Just as we need pramanam for Jnata ghata, Sakshi is pramanam for Jnata ghata. Like that, Sakshi also will become pramanam for Ajnata ghata. Anyatha, what will happen? It will be like Shashashringa. Shashashringa tulyataya Sannikarsha तज्जन्य ज्ञान हेतुत्वेन प्राक् सत्वकल्पना निष्प्रामाणिकी स्यात्. घटस्य पदार्थस्य सन्निकर्ष तज्जन्य ज्ञान हेतुत्वेन प्राक्, prior to the vritti avachinna chaitanya, whether the object is existing or not, we will not have any pramana. So you have to accept. What are we doing siddhi of in this discussion?
Jnane jnane siddhi.
Huh? Jnane what?
In Jnanam, Jnaya is Adhyastha.
That is there. In this topic, what is the discussion? Jnane Jnaya Adhyastha is there. Here we are trying to do siddhi of a jnanam which is different from vritti avachinna chaitanya. That sakshi, which has nothing to do with the vritti, that chaitanya is existing. In that jnanam, ghata is already adhyastha. Tasmat यादृशस्य घटादेर इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष आश्रयत्वेन ज्ञान कारणत्वं तादृशस्य साधकं किंचिन्मानम् अवश्यम अभ्युपेयम्. तस्माद् यादृशस्य घटादेः इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष आश्रयत्वेन ज्ञान कारणत्वम्. Just as how घटादिस इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष आश्रयत्वेन ज्ञानम चैतन्यम इस कारणम तादृशस्य साधकम किंचिन्मानम अवश्यम अभिपेय. You should accept some pramanam which will say ghata jnanam has taken place. I am ghataha. Ghatam aham janami, who will illumine? Sakshi. Sakshi will tell ghata jnanam has taken place. If the jnanam is in antakaranam, knower of that jnanam has to be different from pramata, antakarana. So this manam avashyam abhyupayam. Anyatha अन्वय व्यतिरेकयोः अग्रहेण कार्य कारण भाव अग्रहात् सर्वमानमेयादि व्यवस्था उच्छिद्येत. Anyatha what will happen? अन्वय व्यतिरेकयोः अग्रहेण. you will not be able to do this Anvay Vyatireka. So what is this Anvay Vyatireka? ज्ञेय सत्वे ज्ञान सत्व, ज्ञेया भावे ज्ञान भाव. In अज्ञात घट, there has to be some pramana. ज्ञेय सत्वे ज्ञान सत्व, and if ज्ञेय abhava jnana bhava, this kind of anvay vyatireka. If jnana abhava is there, then jnana grahanam will not happen. And if such karya karana bhava grahanam is not there, then pramana prameya vyavastha will not remain. That is what he says. कार्य कारण भाव अग्रहात सर्व मान मेयादि व्यवस्था उच्छिद्यते. And therefore, means if ghata jnaya, if it is there, some jnanam will be there, which will prove the existence of ghata. And if ghata abhava is there, then in the absence of ghata, you cannot have ghata jnanam. But who will prove the abhava of ghata? That sakshi has to be there. So now you have three cases. Ghata non-existing, ghata existing but not known, ghata existing and known. Ghata non-existing. Non-existent ghata, anupalabdhi pramana, sakshi will illumine that. Ghata existing but not known, sakshi will illumine that. Ghata existing and known, sakshi will illumine that also. Jana miti tameva bhantam anuvat yetat sarmastam jagat. That one. Whole jagat is known by that sakshi. That's why there is a sentence in Panchapadika, I think. Sarvam vastu jnatatvena ajnatatvena va sakshi bhasyam bhavati. Everything jnatatvena or ajnatatvena, sakshi will illumine. So karya karana bhava agrahat sarva manameyadi vyavastha uchityeta. All pramana prameya vyavastha will be uprooted. Tacha manam na vritti rupam. And that pramana is not vritti rupam. Therefore, because in certain cases vritti cannot be there, but illuminator of that vritti, sakshi, will be there. Tadani vritti karana apravrittehe iti tad vilakshanam nityam swaprakasham ekameva laghavat. Tadani, tadanim, it should be tadanim vritti karana apravrittehe. Vritti ghatakaradi vritti pravritti has not happened. Apravrittehe Why? Because at that time, Ghata is not known. So, Ghatakar vritti or Indriya Sannikarsha Janya vritti has not taken place. So, vritti karana, that Sannikarsha, Indriya Sannikarsha is not there. Tadanim vritti karana apravrittehe, Indriya Sannikarsha pravritti has not happened. Iti tad vilakshanam nitya swaprakasham ekam manam svikartavyam iti lagvat. In this way, you should understand the vakya. Nityam swaprakasham ekam lagvat. That there has to be one nitya, swayam prakasha, and ekam chaitanyam. This is laghava. And in that, vrittigata utpatti vinasha jadattvadi bihi tad asamsparshat. Vritti has utpatti, vritti has vinasha, vritti has jadatva. So utpattitva, vinashatva, jadatva, all of these are the dharma of vritti. But Sakshi is untouched by any of this. Mukhya siddhi of Sakshi is in this way, that if something becomes known, see, actually this will come later. In Nyaya Darshan, let's say there is Ghata. Then Ghata becomes known. Atma and Mana Sanyoga takes place. The Atma Mana Sanyoga is not written. Here Ghata, Chakshur Indriya, Ghata, Atma Jnanam will take place. Ghata Jnanam will take place. This is called Vyavasaya Jnana. Then there is Anuvyavasaya Jnanam. What will Anuvyavasaya Jnanam do? Anuvyavasaya Jnanam will be the Jnanam of Vyavasaya Jnanam. What is the nature of Vyavasaya Jnanam? Ayam Ghata. This is Vyavasaya Jnana. Ayam Ghata. Anuvyavasaya Jnanam is Ghatam aham janami. Maya ghato jnataha. Maya ghato jnataha. When you say like this, so what is the Vishaya of Anuvyavasaya Jnanam? Vishaya of Vyavasaya Jnanam is Ghata. What is the Vishaya of Anuvyavasaya Jnanam? Vyavasaya Jnanam and Ghata also. Ghata is also Vishaya of Anuvyavasaya Jnanam. Instead of saying Anuvyavasaya Jnanam, Vedanti says Sakshi. Only difference is their Anuvyavasaya Jnanam keeps changing for each Vyavasaya Jnanam. We have one Kutassa Sakshi. Second thing is Anuvyavasaya Jnanam, because it keeps changing, it is Anitya. Sakshi is Nitya. And they also will have to say that Anuvyavasaya Jnanam is Swayam Prakasha. Because if you don't accept, then who will know that there was Anuvyavasaya Jnanam? So they will have to accept Anuvyavasaya Jnanam, which is not there. We say Sakshi itself is Swayam Prakasha. There is one more very particular difference between these two thinking. In Nyaya, first Ghata Jnanam, then Ghata Jnanasya Jnanam. It will come in next Kshana. In Vedanta, everything is together. Ghata Jnanam and Ghata Jnanasya Jnanam both will happen in the same moment. Not that First, Pramata will illumine, then next moment Sakshi will illumine. We don't say like that. This is clear, I am assuming. Pramata's work and Sakshi's work happens together. While Pramata is illumining Ghata, Sakshi is illumining Pramata also and Ghata also and Ghatakar Vritti also. Pramata, Pramana, Prameya, all are illumined together. Clear?
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
तदेव च नानाविध उपाधि संबंधान नानाविध व्यवहार भाग भवति नभ इव घट मणिक मल्लिकादि उपाधि भेदेन तदेव तदेव साक्षी चैतन्य that same sakshi chaitanya because of sambandha with varieties of upadhi nana vida upadhi sambandhat nana vida vyavahara bhag bhavati as if it is doing varieties of vyavahara. How? Like Akasha having vyavahara with the upadhi of Ghata, Manika, Mallika. Ghata, you know, Manika means a bead, etc. Small, it has very small space. Mallika, a pushpa, it has very small space inside. Upadhi bhedena. तच्च अज्ञान साधकत्वात् स्वरूपतो न अज्ञान निवर्तकम. That means what is that? Sakshi Chaitanya. Earlier it is said Tadeva cha Nanavidha Upadhi. That is Sakshi. Again Tacha Ajnana Sadhaka is also Sakshi. Sakshi is Ajnana Sadhaka. Sakshi is Ajnana Sadhaka or Ajnana Badhaka.
Sadhaka.
Why not Badhaka?
Both.
Jnanam is Badhaka.
Sakshi is only Sadhaka of Ajnana. Sakshi will not remove Ajnana. Sakshi will illuminate. Tadakar Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya. So when Sakshi is Arudha in Vritti, that will remove Ajnana. That's why it is given. Tacha Ajnana Sadhakatvat Swarupataha na Ajnana Nivartakam. Sakshi is only Ajnana Sadhaka. So Swarupataha by itself, not Ajnana Nivartaka. Then who will remove Ajnanam? Vritti Uparaktam to Ajnana Nivartakam. Vritti Uparaktam Sakshi Chaitanyam to Ajnana Nivartakam. Vritti Uparakta means Vritti Arudha Chaitanya. Chidabhasa, as Chidabhasa expressing in Vritti, that will remove Ajnana. To Ajnana Nivartakam iti na Vrittehe Anupayogaha. Therefore, Vritti, Ghatakar Vritti or Vishayakar Vritti is not useless. It is useful because only in that, when Chaitanya Pratibimba takes place, it will remove Ajnana. Tathacha Sarva Ajnana Sadhake Sakshi Chaitanya. See, first time he uses the word Sakshi Chaitanya after all this discussion. He never said what it is. Some Jnanam, Abhyupeyam, etc., etc. He went on explaining. And you should accept it is Nitya, Swaprakasham, Ekameva. But what is the name of that? That is given here now. Tathacha Sarva Ajnana Sadhake Sakshi Chaitanya. In that Sakshi Chaitanya, Tasmin Ghatader Adhyasa. In that there is Ghata Adhyasa. In Sakshi Chaitanya, Ghata is Adhyasa. iti na kwapi anupapattihi. So adhyasa is not in the vritti that will arise later and Ghata was already there. Then how can there be adhyasa? That is not what we are saying. Now, before we enter into the shlokas, one more point just for not directly related to this, but for thinking. In Ekajivavada, we say there is Jnataika Sattvam. Jnataika Sattvam. Jnataika Sattvam means
प्रातिभासिक
Pratibhas. Or how do you explain Jnataika Sattvam? Only when there is knowledge, then we accept Satta. Right? This is Jnataika Sattvam. If I don't know something, its existence is not guaranteed. It's not there. How will you prove that it is existing? You cannot say, no, others are seeing, others are. There are no others. So, in Drishti Srishtivada, Jnataika Sattvam means if a ghata, same example if you carry, right now in Bahujivavada or Srishti Drishtivada, what did we say? Ajnata ghata will be known only when there is Sakshi. In Drishti Srishtivada, there is no Ajnata ghata. Ajnata ghata is not accepted at all. So if someone says, to establish Ajnata ghata, I need Sakshi. Only then I can say Ghata was Ajnata. How do I know? Through Sakshi. Therefore, I have to accept Sakshi. But in Drishti Srishtivada, Ajnata Vastu itself is not accepted. If Ajnata Vastu is not accepted, Sakshi Siddhi will not happen. This is thinking point for you. You think and next time you can give some answer. I hope at least you understood what is the point of discussion.
Yes, Swamiji.
Anybody else understood what I said?
Yes, Swami.
Okay. So, in Drishti Srishtivada, Jnataika Sattvam is must. In Bahujivavada, Ajnata Sattvam is also there. For Ajnata Sattva, Sakshi Siddhi, Sakshi is required. Okay. See now some shlokas are there. Taduktam Sureshwaracharyehi. Sureshwaracharya ji. Where in Sureshwaracharya ji has given all this? This is in Brahadaranyaka Vartika. Now, there is a wonderful thing, if you note, that in Sanskrit shlokas, they have not given where the shlokas are from. They have just given the shlokas. And Taduktam Sureshwaracharya. In Hindi translation, you see they have given the shlokas.
Yes, Swamiji.
And they have given it is Brahad Vartika,
Yes,
right?
Yes, Swamiji.
And what they have given after that? Page number.
page numbers.
Means you need the same book, whichever that they have page number. If you don't have the same book, how will you have the same page number? So wherever Brahadaranyaka Vartika is quoted, in many places they have given only page number. Okay, just I am bringing this to your notice, but I will give you the number. This is Brahadaranyaka Vartika 43156 to 162. 43156 to 43162. What is the chapter 43? Which Brahmana is this?
Swayam Jyoti Brahman.
Swayam Jyoti Brahmana. These shlokas are from Swayam Jyoti Brahmana. सर्वतीर्थदृशां सिद्धिः स्वाभिप्रेतस्य वस्तुनः यदभ्युपगमादेव तत्सिद्धिर्वार्यते कुतः. सर्वतीर्थदृशां, तीर्थ here means darshana. All darshanika acharyas, they are sarvatirthadrik. Ekvachanam will be sarvatirthadrik. Tesham sarvatirthadrisham shashti bahuvachanam. So those who are the seers of different darshanas, acharyas, for them, swabhipretasya vastuna, they all will have some padarthas. How will they do the siddhi of those padarthas? Yad abhyupagamādeva. First they will have to accept some Sakshi Chaitanya. So Padartha Siddhi happens through Sakshi Siddhi. And therefore, because I know everything, Tad Siddhihi Kutaha Varyate. So of that Sakshi, why are you eliminating? Kutaha Varyate. How you can avoid it? Second shloka. So one shloka 157 and 159 he has skipped in the quotations. So it is 156, 158, 60, 61, 62. Like that, 5 shlokas are given. Sarvatirthadrisham tavat samanyam manalakshanam ajñātārthāvagamanam vadukte tanna yujyate. Sarvatirthadrisham, again, Sarvatirthadrisham means for all the acharyas of different darshanas. Tavat samanyam manalakshanam. Samanya pramana lakshanam. For what is the lakshana of pramana? Pramanam kim? What is pramana? In Vedanta Paribhasha we studied or not? Ajñāta Jñāpakam Pramanam. Very simple. What is Pramanam? Ajñāta Jñāpakam. What is not known is become, will or does become known through Pramana. That is what he says. Sarvatirtha drisham tavat samanya mana lakshanam. Samanya pramana lakshanam is ajñāta artha avagamanam. Ajñātasya arthasya avagamanam or adhigamanam. In Hindi they have given adhigamanam. Means same thing. Ajñāta jñāpakam. Tvad ukte tanna yujyate. Tvad ukte means if you don't accept Sakshi, then this Ajñāta Jñāpakam, this Lakshana will not fit. Why? So he explained, if the Ghata is Ajñāta, who is the Jñāpaka of this Ajñāta Ghata? Sakshi. If you don't accept that, then Ajñāta Jñāpaka will not be there. Tvadukte tanna yujyate. स्वतः सिद्धोऽथवा सिद्धो देहादिस्ते भवन भवेत् प्रमाणानां प्रमाणत्वं नोभयत्रापि लभ्यते स्वतः सिद्धः अथवा असिद्धः अथवा सिद्धः means you should understand अथवा असिद्धः खंडाकार if you want you can put it is given in the Hindi they have given खंडाकार in Sanskrit they have not given देह he said देहादि ते देहादि your body etc they are स्वतः सिद्ध और असिद्ध भवन भवेत् भवन means let's take them as siddha प्रमाणानां प्रमाणत्वं न उभयत्रापि लभ्यते in both cases whichever case you take if deha is swata siddha or deha is asiddha pramanas pramanyam pramananam pramanatvam ubhayatra api na labhyate in both cases pramananam pramanyam will not be there why he takes one at a time now प्रामाण्यान्य प्रामाणान्यन्तरेण अपि देहादिश्चेत् प्रसिद्ध्यति वद प्रमाणैः कोऽन्वर्थो न हि सिद्धस्य साधनम् प्रमाणानि अंतरेण अपि देहादिः चेत् प्रसिद्ध्यति without praman also pramanani antarena api deha siddhi is there because it is swata siddha if you accept that mata then pramanaihi konu arthaha vada then what is the role of pramana because if deha is already swata siddha pramana will do only jnata jnapakatvam not ajnata jnapakatvam so therefore it is siddhasya sadhanam but pramana should be asiddhasya sadhanam so vada pramanaihi konu artho nahi siddhasya sadhanam pramanam is not for doing siddhi of is not a sadhanam for siddha vastu pramanam is actually sadhanam for asiddha vastu nahi siddhasya sadhanam so if swatah siddha deha is swatah siddha pramana is useless are you following what is the thought process
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
everybody
Yes.
Ajnata Jnapakatvam is established and therefore Sakshi is needed. Then Deha, he said, it is Swata Siddha or Asiddha. If it is Swata Siddha, Pramana has no role to play. What if it is Asiddha? Swato Siddhe Prameye tu Nasato Vyanjika Prama Nabhivyanakti Savita Shashashringam Sfurannapi. If it is Swataha Asiddha, Swataha Asiddha means it is not even Prameya. If it is not Prameya, there is no Prama which will reveal it. Asato Vyanjika Pramana. For Asat Vastu, there is no Prama which will illuminate. Asataha Vyanjika Pramana. Drashtanta, if Shashashringa is there, so in the shloka here, Shashashringa is given. In the Hindi shlokas, Kharashringa is given. Whether you say rabbit's horns or donkey's horns, the bright, brilliant sun of the month of May in the afternoon cannot illumine Shashashringa. Savita Spurannapi na abhivyanakti Shashashringam. Why? It is asat vastu, aprameya. In other words, you have to accept Sakshi. Nacha घटोयमित्यसावुक्तिराभासस्य प्रसादतः विज्ञातो घट इत्युक्तिर्ब्रह्मानुभवतो भवेत् इति वदता वृत्तिप्रतिबिम्बितस्य घट अनधिष्ठान चैतन्यस्य घटानुभवत्व उक्ति विरोध इति वाच्यम्. This is from Kutasthadeepa. 15th or 16th shloka. They have given 25. No. This is different. Yeah, this one only. 25th shloka they have given. Maybe it is 25. 8th chapter. Ghatoyam. This is Ghataha. Ghatoyam iti asau uktihi. This statement. How are you able to say I am Ghataha? What is required for saying this I am Ghataha? Means for this knowledge, Ghatagyanam, what is required? Ghatakar vritti. That Ghatakar vritti is blessed with Chidabhasa. So therefore he says, Ghatoyam, this ukti, abhasasya prasadatah bhavet. Chidabhasasya prasada. Chidabhasa is there in Pramata, Chidabhasa is there in Ghatakar vritti. Ghatakar vritti will illumine Ghata. Chidabhasa has blessed this. Therefore, Ghatoyam, you can say. Vijñāto Ghata ityuktihi. And then when I say, I know Ghata, how will that happen? What is given in the line? At least read that. Vijñāto Ghata iti uktihi. Brahmanubhavato bhavet. That illumination is by Brahma. Vijñāto Ghataha. See, I am Ghataha. Who is illumining that? Chidabhasa. Vijñāto Ghataha. Who is illumining that? Brahma. Brahma means Sakshi. So, Ghatoyam Chidabhasa Prasadata. Vijñāto Ghata. This is so simple. Vijñāto Ghata is by Brahma. Brahma illumines that. So, Ghatoyam at that time, Chidabhasa is illumining or Brahma is illumining?
Chidabhasa is illuminated.
Chidabhasa is with Brahma.
Both will be there. There is no time when Brahma is not illuminating. Brahma is always there. So, when Ghatoyam takes place, Chidabhasa is primary. Brahma is already there. When Jnato Ghata is there, Chidabhasa cannot do that. Only Brahma will do. Iti vadata vritti pratibimbitasya ghata anadhisthana chaitanya. Vritti pratibimbita chaitanya is not ghata adhisthana chaitanya, Purvapakshi says. And therefore, ghata anubhavatva ukti virodha. Ghata anubhava is not by vritti pratibimbita chaitanya. Iti, Siddhanti says, nacha vachyam. Why? Vritti pratibimbita chaitanyasya घटादि अधिष्ठान चैतन्य सह भेद अभावात्. There is no भेद between vritti pratibhimbita chaitanya and घटा अधिष्ठान chaitanya. This I already mentioned. According to our Vedanta paribhasha, Advaita Vedanta prakriya is vritti pratibimbita chaitanya means pramana chaitanya and prameya chaitanya. They both will become one. Instead of saying prameya avachinna chaitanya, he says ghata adhisthana chaitanya. So there is bheda abhavat. Chaitanya se ekatvat, because there is only one chaitanya. यथा च एकस्यैव चैतन्यस्य सर्वभासकत्वम्, one chaitanya is sarvabhasaka, तथा विस्तरेण उपपादितम, that is elaborated or with elaboration it is presented, where न अभाव उपलब्धे रीति अस्मिन् अधिकरणे भाष्यकृद्भिः by भाष्यकार. So this is Brahma Sutra. They have given the number which is incorrect. It is 2 to 28, not 2 to 329. 2 to 28. Na bhava upalabdehe. This is Vedanti Sutra, Brahma Sutra, to refute Kshanik Vijnanavadi. Kshanik Vijnanavadi says there is no object outside. So Vedanti says na abhavaha. It is not abhava. It is there. How do we say upalabdehe? Because it is upalabdha. Now upalabdehe means that there is one Sakshi Chaitanya which is Kutastha, which you don't accept, Kshanik Vijnanavadi. By that Sakshi Chaitanya, Abhava also becomes known. This is why I said earlier, you have Ghata Abhava, you have Ajnata Ghata, and you have Jnata Ghata, all three. So this is Bhashyakrit Bihi by Bhagavan Bhashyakara. In Brahma Sutra, this is elaborated. This is easy topic, but beautiful. You should go through it again. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.